ano-ano. Ikot-ikot, ikot-ikot. Mamaya, ang gugutom na naman kami. Ayaw niya suotin yung...
It so hurts.
I do it slowly. You want ponytail only?
Yeah.
Good morning mga kachika. Good morning. Salmon. And I make fried chicken. So. First, before you go your disco, and then just have snacks when you get back. Okay? Daw, look at me daw, Lisa. 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 Nag-coloring kasi yan siya.
Look.
Ika, mag-brush ka pa your teeth.
Almost done.
Good morning.
Let me see.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My hair's getting long.
Porridge! 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 Ang pili na.
Maybe don't toot your horn when you're so big. Now sleep well. Good night. Good night. It is fun being big.
Only got 20 minutes.
Till morning.
Okay, here Lisa. 20 minutes. Did you have your vitamins yesterday?
It's not that much. It's real fun.
Oh,
Yeah.
where
Sit
are
down.
you? I'm here.
That's good that you come here, not have a day off, because that
Oh, never mind, Holly.
Yeah.
They get overrated in my opinion.
I'm going to see if Ben has found the cave. Ben!
You found it na?
Yeah, but this one is small, but it's okay.
Well done, Gaston. They
Kaya mga kachika, nag-antay ako ng bus. Sus. Nandoon na ako sa may kanto. Tapos yung bus nandito na. Wala na, na-miss ko talaga. Mag-antay na naman ako ng siguro mga 20 minutes na lang din yung antayin ko dito. Sakit na yung balakang ko. Kaya takbo talaga ako galing sa bahay. Which is kasalanan ko din kasi nag-scroll lang ako sa phone ko. Hindi ko na namalayan yung oras. Kaya takbo na naman tuloy ako papunta dito. Malakas pa yung hangin. Hinatid ko lang yung mga bata sa school. Tapos, umuwi ako sa bahay. Then bumalik nga ako dito. Kasi yun nga, na-late na sa bus. Late na tuloy tayo. Meron kasi akong date. Sobrang haba na talaga ng hinaba ng buhok ko mga kachika. Oh, ganito na siya. Mister na ano na magtingin-tingin ng buhok ko. Sabi niya, go fix your hair daw. Go fix your hair. Ayoko na din talaga kasi nga baka makauwi kami ng Pinas. Tapos pag magpakulay ako ay hindi pa naman nila ini-straight yung niliriban ba yung buhok mo ba lalo na pag naka-bleach. Ito kasi naka-bleach to mga kachika. Pag palagyan mo magpakulay ka ng ganito i-bleach siya. Kaya pag once na nung last time na umuwi ako ng Pinas, may kulay din yung buhok ko noong time na yon. Nagpaganito din ako. Hindi ko siya napariban kasi may pinuntahan ako ng mga salon, hindi nila kasi ayaw nilang gawlawin yung buhok ko kasi daw naka-bleach, masisira. Mura lang mga sapatos.
Nagbo-box, nagbibigay ng...
Mura lang. Ito oh, ang gaan pa.
Mga
Bit ko to. Ganito.
Marami naman kung ano. May ano.
Ganito, 42.
Kapatid, ano yung gawin mo?
Shoes na naman. More shoes. Shoes. May ganito ka? Style? Ako wala akong ganyan.
Ano yung samba na ano yung gusto ko? Yung muna, samba-samba. Yung samba na style. Ewan ko, ba't diba yung ano kasi apil nun? Diba kasi yung ganito?
Ano-ano? Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Magpunta ka dyan? Ha? Oo, kainan din. Kanya.
Ano masarap na?
Dito lang tayo?
Tingnan ko lang. May stick ko yung grilled chicken.
With coconut flavor rice. Try natin yan.
Sino ka dito mo?
Valentine's for to. Okay na. Tara, doon tayo. Kasi may mga space doon. Gusto.
Try na naman natin.
Nagutom sa kakaikot-ikot. Wala na ang pinamili. Nagpunta lang kami ng Silver. Yun lang. Ikot-ikot sa Tiki Max, sa Primark. Window-window shopping na. Nabili pala ako ng socks kasi napunta kami ng sports step. Kasi yung binili ko sa kasi kailangan ko lang.
Tingnan mo, okay na.
Order pa. Ito na yung food namin mga kachika. Grabe food. No. Anuhan talaga. Ang tawag dyan? Maliwanag na pala ngayon. Ganda na siya. Lakad-lakad mamaya, gugutomin na naman tayo nito. At least, kahit pa paano no, nagganito na siya. Ilang weeks din yung weather. Ano-ano lang kami. Ikot-ikot. Mamaya, gugutom na naman kami nito. Kasi tapos na kami kumain.
Saan natin?
Ay, doon!
Yun ang gusto mong, kasi di ko pa na ano. Kasi
Yeah. Diyan sa taas ng theater? Yeah, meron nga dyan.
I don't know.
Ah,
Talagang,
tingnan mo yung swans.
ano pa ko?
No, hindi. Hindi. Pwede din yan siya. Pwede din dyan. Parang ganun doon din sa pinunta natin.
Asan yung partner niya? Dapat dadalawa-dalawa dati.
Isa na lang.
Sabi asawa niya.
Grabing hangin. Is ganda pa yung kasama ko dito. Tanggal pa yung jacket niya. Tatpo naman.
Ay, nakalimutan na. Tanong sa akin.
Yan.
Nakalimutan na.
Wait. Doon kami kasi magkakape kami. Nagpili kami dito kung saan daw yung yate niya.
Mamili lang siya. Lahat na nakikita niya. Di sa
Pili lang.
akin.
Pili naman kami kasi nalamig kami sa kakaikot-ikot. View namin. Alisa is still full of energy.
Well, she's tired. She can't. I don't like walking up hills, tired.
Going
Fat heels.
down is
Better.
tan tan ta-da-dan, tan ta-da-da-da-da-dan, tan It says there. Okay. Learn to swim level 1. Well done, Alisa Percival. Teacher Sophie. Like that. And then you got a badge.
A badge? I want to put it on that.
Okay, put that in your bedroom, yeah?
Okay.
Be careful. What your friend say?
My friend said it's gonna be Valentine's
Disco. So you're gonna wear that one.
I gotta hurry.
Later.
I'm gonna wear this on in my bag.
Later, okay?
I'm gonna
Go
wear
find your t-shirt there.
my Valentine's disco dress, my pink and red.
Pink and red.
Yeah, dress.
Which one is that? Pink and red.
No, for Valentine's disco.
That's the one you had in your hands earlier. That's the one you're gonna
I
wear.
don't have it.
You had in your hands already.
No, I don't have it. Look. Look.
You put it away. That's the one you're gonna wear. The pants and the...
No, the dress. The pink and red.
Pink and red.
Yeah, I need that. I need it for my Valentine's.
May disco kasi yan sila mga kachika. Yung disco nila Alisa ay 5:30 to 6:30. Alina naman 7 to 8. Disco time nila.
5:30, is it?
So Alisa, she gonna have her dinner when she get back.
Yeah.
And then Alina, she have
What are they having? What are they having?
salmon anamik.
Something again?
What salmon again?
They had it the other day, no? Yesterday? The April yesterday?
What else we can give to them?
Well, I'll have to go and get something.
They have steak last night.
No, there's salmon in there, is there? There's no sea bass. How do you need?
Okay, no problem. Well, walking around.
Huh?
No problem if I'm walking around.
Well, you can scrouch down, look at you.
Yeah, I still, but I can do it. But if I get up, that's the pain.
Well,
Sometimes.
Yeah, well, have you still got the sock on?
Yeah. And that is-
It just help. It should help.
Yeah, it does.
You've done something to it. What you've done, you've injured yourself. That's what it is. It's not age. It's injury.
Alina, she wants you to hug her. Ganyan lang yung suotin niya, disco mga kachika, kasi yan yung suotin niyang dress daw. Ayaw niya suotin yung, ayaw niya suotin yung ano ba, yung na-receive niyang regalo. Yan daw, yan. Maganda din naman yan kasi may sparkly, pang disco talaga. Now, can you please lower the volume? I don't know, we are not deaf here. Why so... Lisa, go na! And then si Mr. didiretso na lang din siya mag-food shopping kaunti. And then pagbalik niya, pipick upin na naman niya si Alisa.
Wait, guys, let's check what's inside the envelope. Whoa! Here's an escape map. Let's go. Looks like the only way is through the vent.
Hindi ako narinig.
My mom wanted me to.